Welcome to Bike Shift, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Honda Activa 7G, the newest generation of India's most trusted and best-selling scooter. Known for its reliability, comfort, and everyday practicality, the Activa 7G aims to raise the bar once again in the family scooter segment. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G carries forward its familiar silhouette but with a more refined and modern touch. Subtle design updates include sharper body panels, a refreshed front apron, and improved LED lighting for better visibility. The overall look remains clean and premium, appealing to riders of all age groups while maintaining the Activa's timeless identity. Powering the Honda Activa 7G is an updated 110 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, tuned to meet the latest emission norms. The engine focuses on smooth power delivery, low vibrations, and excellent fuel efficiency. Acceleration feels refined for city use, making daily commuting stress-free. Honda's trusted engine reliability continues to be a major highlight in this new generation. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point of the Activa series, and the 2026 Activa 7G continues that tradition. With improved engine tuning and enhanced fuel management, riders can expect impressive mileage, making it an economical choice for daily travel. This scooter is designed to keep running costs low without compromising performance. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G comes equipped with modern features aimed at convenience and safety. Expected highlights include a fully digital or semi-digital instrument cluster, external fuel filling, silent start system, engine start-stop technology, and a USB charging port. These features make everyday rides more practical and user-friendly. Comfort remains a core strength of the Activa 7G. The scooter offers a wide and comfortable seat, upright riding posture, and improved suspension setup for smoother rides on rough roads. The lightweight chassis and balanced handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic, even for new riders. In terms of safety, the Honda Activa 7G is expected to feature a combined braking system for better control and stability. Strong braking performance, along with tubeless tires and a sturdy frame, adds confidence during daily rides in busy urban conditions. The 2026 Honda Activa 7G continues the legacy of dependability, comfort, and efficiency that millions of riders trust. With updated styling, modern features, and Honda's proven engineering, it remains a strong choice in the scooter segment. For daily commuters and family users, the Activa 7G stands as a smart and reliable option. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more latest scooter and motorcycle updates.